Hello children, nice to meet you all again. So, as we all know children, we have studied so many lessons. Yes or no? After studying, what we have to do? We have to revise them, isn't it? Why we have to revise them? Why? Because you all have to write the exams, isn't it? So, let us start with the new words and their meanings children. First lesson, you see. Page number 3 of Anil Kumble lesson. First class cricket. In simple words, it means a match played between two states or countries. Roundabout, a place where two or more roads meet around in a central point, isn't it? Next you see children, these all meanings what you all have to do, continue the number children. Don't write 3, 4 or separate pages. Continue the number, write one time neatly, one finger distance. Okay. One time you all write, one finger distance you all do, write neatly. Oh, when you bring Sunday for correction, it should look neat you see. Bright, shining strongly, full of light. Skip. Jump over a rope holding both ends. Volley. Hit or kick the ball before it touches the ground. Pool. A small area of still water formed naturally or artificially. Okay. New words. Gloomy, sad and depressed. Proud. Feeling pleased with one's achievement. Shift, quick or sudden. Compete, take part in a contest or a competition. Yard, unit of measurement, and in Kannada they have given it as gaja, vandu gaja. Next, pleased, happy, heavy, not light, having great weight. For example, your school bag, sometimes you all carry all last year's books and all, and you all just come to school like that only, isn't it? That time it will be too heavy for you all. Handsome, good looking. Glug, sound made while drowning in water. How the ducks will make in the lesson, isn't it? Hat, here in the lesson, the cock's comb. Tenali Rama. Jester, a person who amuses people at the king's court. And in Kannada, they call it as Vidoshaka. Terrific, wonderful, very good. Frightened, afraid, scared. Feared, several means many. Curse, a wish for something bad to happen to others. Sharper, they call it in Kannada. Here in Tenali Rama lesson, goddesses will curse Tenali Rama to be a Vikatakavi, isn't it? Furious, very angry, vanish, disappear. Seal, brightly colored sea animal that sticks onto rocks. Tentacles, long thin arms of sea creatures. Blubber, fat of sea animals. First, very angry and ready to attack. Clumsily, move awkwardly. Frown, facial expression of anger. Pass and pass, go round and round. Dizzy, feel as though everything around is going round and round. Glistening, shining, queering, shaking slightly. Gravely, seriously. Home of glass and aquarium in the context. Here in the particular lesson they have given that. Okay. Looking glass, mirror. Stockings, close fitting for foot, close fitting for fitting covering for the foot. Stockings in the poem, as the girl will wear that stockings, close fitting covering for the foot. Stooped, bent down to tie her shoelace, isn't it? Untied, become loose. Pipped, quick, looked quickly and secretly. Okay, now what you all should do, children? Now these all I should write or you all will write. Now whatever it is, those who have in those books are incomplete, those who have joined recently also, take a book, write neatly, practice for the exam. You write, practice for the exam. And what you all should do, children? What you all should do, you say me? One meaning you write neatly, one finger, read it, then write the second one. Neat it should look. How in class you all will leave the finger and write neatly, no, like that only you all should write. The day which we will give, that day only you all write, children. Otherwise what it will happen, all if you keep pending, you will be confused what to read and what to write also. So what you all should do, when we will send the video, that time only immediately all write it, so that it will be easy for you all to learn also for the exams. Yes or no? One bit we will be giving, and one bit if you read, it will be easy for you all. So I am requesting you all to write it neatly. Write it neatly, children, so that it will be easy. See it. And after writing, what you all do, children? In rough notebook, take a rough notebook, see the meanings. Which words are tough for you all? For example, now this last page you see, mirror spelling is hard for me. I will write 5 times that mirror spelling. Fitting spelling is hard for me. I will write that fitting spelling 5 times and practice and learn that. Covering spelling is tough for me. I will write that spelling. I know become spelling, so I will not write become spelling. Lose spelling. L-O-S-A, lose, L-O-S-E, lose. You read the spelling and write, you see how quickly you will learn to read the spellings also. How quickly you will. First of all, you all should open the mouth. First of all, you all should open the mouth, read and write. Okay, then only you all will learn. Otherwise, no, secretly spelling, quickly spelling. Here only many spellings you see. Yes, no, we can find many spellings in one lesson. So what you all should do? Take a book, write neatly. In rough notebook, you all practice. First what you all do? You write, when you write the meanings one time neatly, you see the first meaning from page number 3. How many are there meanings? See, two meanings are there. In that 2 meanings, so many tough meanings, words will be there which you don't know. If you know, it's better. If you don't know, in one page 3 spellings you write and keep it ready position. You write and keep it. First, after writing the meanings, you write the word, so that you will learn the spellings. And you ask your elder brother or sister to, what you will ask them? To take the dictation after writing the spellings. When you will know the spellings, it will be easy for you to read the meanings also. Isn't it? Yes or no? Yes. You just try one day. It will be how easy for you all to. Don't get bored, children, because this is the time where you can create yourself and learn something new. Don't do laziness, because when little work is there, you complete it. It won't be tough for you. Otherwise, you all will be feeling hard to complete the next bit also. If you complete day by day, it will be easy for you all. Okay, now start the revision, learn them, write neatly. Don't bring dirty books for correction. Write it neatly again and again. I am saying for you all. Write it neatly, okay? See you all in the next class. Bye.